Like, share and subscribe.
So guys, welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'll be doing another fruit or blended juice. I'll be doing another juice video. So for this I'll be using some watermelon, I got some pineapple here, and I also have some star fruit. So as you can see, these are the little star fruit shaped fruit. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, guys, before I cut it up. So this is what I use for this juice. Now you can add anything else you want to it. I was thinking about adding cherry, but let's try out these ingredients first and see what it has. So we have about one slice of pineapple there and some watermelon, and we're going to add our star fruit. Now you can add some pineapple, not pineapple, you can add some cherries or ginger or anything like that you have or you want to add. You can add it. I probably might find one or two cherries add to it. So I think about making cool summer drinks. So you're going to put them in the fridge, allow them to chill and enjoy. So add about a few cherries. Add one more, just to give it a little taste. We're going to add our water to this. To add our water. And then you guys are going to blend. We get our, remember, screw it on tightly. Ready, guys? So this is it. Basically, it's everything. So that is everything. We have the star fruit, we have the melon, we have the pineapple. I'll add a few pieces of cherries. So now we'll be blending this. But I just want to show you guys what is in it. So as you can see, now if you had ginger, you could add a little ginger to it. But I don't have any ginger. Or if you can use the powdered ginger, instant ginger. That is what it's like, and we're going to put it on like that and blend. For my video, guys, thank you all for watching, and this is my watermelon, pineapple, star fruit and cherry drinks. This is my cherry juice, and I did some June plum juice. So very refreshing. All you have to just add some the fridge, allow them to chill, and you shall enjoy them. They're very cool and refreshing, especially this one, refreshing. And then we have the June plum, very cool and refreshing, guys, and we have our cherry. So guys, hope you enjoy this video, and thank you all for tuning in. So thank you all for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Refreshing summer cool drinks. Ooh, ooh, ooh.